Hello YouTube, 10 facts about the most harmful products. If you want to lose weight, it is not necessary to torture yourself with terrible diets and spend hours in the gym every day. It will be enough just to exclude all harmful products from your diet. There are not so many of them. So, 1. Chips. Potatoes, in fact, are not the most useful product, starch and nothing more. And there is nothing useful and natural in chips at all: carcinogens, flavors, flavor enhancers and, of course, oil. Regular consumption of chips can lead to cancer and weight problems. The same goes for French fries. 2. Soda. Did you know that even gouache diluted in water and flavored with sugar is not as harmful as colored soda? It is believed that fast food is best washed down with sparkling water, but this is just a cunning marketing ploy. In fact, soda dulls the feeling of hunger, and you want to eat another hamburger. By the way, Coca-Cola Light is no better than regular cola. It contains a sugar substitute, which is much more harmful. 3. Fast food. Apart from speed and price, fast food has no advantages. Although for a quick and harmless satisfaction of hunger, you can safely cook a sandwich of vegetables, cheese and ham. 4. Mayonnaise. It's just store-bought mayonnaise. If you stop using it, you yourself will notice how the waste has become a little smaller in volume. By the way, here you can also add ketchup and other sauces that contain flavor enhancers, flavors, fats and no natural ingredients. Instead, try low-fat sour cream. Much tastier and healthier. 5. Salt and sugar. They are also called white death. Salt prevents the removal of water from the body and is deposited in the most unnecessary places. Sugar is the #1 enemy of all losing weight. But if it is impossible to completely abandon these products, you should simply limit consumption. For example, do not add salt to food and get used to the natural taste of products. Sugar can also be replaced with honey. 6. Alcohol. The harm of alcohol is already obvious to everyone. If you drink alcohol consistently once a week, this is already alcoholism. If you do not know how you can soberly spend a holiday, too, you can start giving up alcohol by giving up cheap alcoholic drinks. Well, then just find a non-drinking company. 7. Sausages and smoked meats. You will never be able to guess exactly what and when sausages are made from. Smoking and salting of meat is necessary only for longer storage of products. Of course, all the benefits of the product disappear over time, and cadaveric manifestations do not stop. Only now the buyer is unable to notice this because of flavorings and flavor enhancers. 8. Fried. Frying on margarine and sunflower oil leads to the formation of carcinogens and kills all the beneficial properties of food. In addition, during frying, part of the liquid is replaced by oil, which leads to an increase in the calorie content of the product. Instead of frying, you can lightly fry the food until golden brown, and finish cooking in the oven or in a double boiler. 9. Sweet. Among the most harmful sweets can be distinguished lollipops, marmalade, chewing sweets. In fact, they are more harmful than a piece of cake because of the dyes and flavors they contain. Do you want something sweet? Eat honey, dried fruits, or dark chocolate. 10. White bread. Fresh buns or white bread are, of course, very tasty, but there is absolutely nothing useful in them, because the flour from which they are prepared is purified from nutritious fiber. So it is much healthier to eat whole grain bread. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.